right click and click on new module. So you need to connect, you need to add another communication card. That communication card will communicate this communication AEN2TR. So next is which communication card you need to select. You can select 1794 category. Which category you can select? 1794. But please remember, now Rockwell is absoluted 1794 series, and they are make 5094 PLC, sorry, 5094 communication card, and also 5094 flex IO. In Rockwell they are using two types of IO, so I will discuss about later. Click on communication card. You can add 1794 AENT or AENTR. There is a two types of communication card. Click on communication card, example AENTR, and here is a pop-up. You can see all property of communication card. Here 192.1794 AENT, 1794 AENT, 1794 10-100 Mbps per 100 Mbps means megabyte per second, Ethernet adapter to state pair media, and Rockwell automation vendor. Parents is communication means this is a parents which you are selected first. Which you are selected first. This is a communication parents of this communication card. You can write CM IOCM because it's you will connect, you are going to connect after communication card to IO. So all IO means input output will connect this, all input output will be send a signal to particular communication card. So all input output will be select, all input output will send a signal from field to this particular communication card 1794 AENT. You need to write underscore always IOCM. IP address you can same, you can write anything whatever you want for learning time, not project time. In project time you need to write IP address according to project, whatever mentioned in the project or in document. I don't know. 192.168.0.11. Previous was 10. Here description you can write revision 4.0, previous was 11. And electronically capable module rack optimization means you can use only 8 input output with particular communication card. Next, connection inhibit, same inhibit module, measure fault on controller if connection fail while in run mode. If it is in run mode, connection will fail. So PLC module will be sent to PLC a fault signal. Next is module information. You can, example, any fault is come, you can directly right click and click on module information. You can see module revision, and here you can see major fault, minor fault, initial state, what is the state of module, and initial modules, any production of modules. You can see any information of the module related to module. You can see any information related to module. Internet protocol you can use after whenever this hardware is connected to the physically, on that time this internet protocol you can use. Port configuration, it's all about to port, interface counter, and media counter. Click on OK and close. So here you can see it's flex bus, means flex type of IO you can use. So let's see how to use, how you can connect. Step number 3, step number 4 is completed. Step number 1, you are created a project. In step number 2, you are added a emulator. Step number 3, you are created a communication card, added a communication card. Step number 4, you added a IO communication card. In step number 5, you are going to add, step number 5, you are going to add new module. New module, click on new module. How you can add input output card, and what is the input output? Right click and click on new module. Pop-up is came. But here is one thing, filter is showing. So what you can do, you can clear filter and click on digital. Here you can write 1794. When you will write 1794, here all IOs is showing regarding related to 1794 category. In 1794 there is a four type of IO, so three type of uh, at three type of input card. IB you can use either IB8, IB16 and IB32. Example, you selected IB32. Okay, you can use IB32 directly. But always remember, it's you are going to use sync or source, but many 90% digital input card industry using sync type, not source type. Either anyone can use sync or source. Click on, and I'm also used in my previous sync more type of. I am also used sync type. Click on create. So again new pop-up will come, and here you can see vendor same 1794 type 1794 IB32.IO 24-volt DC sync type, and vendor is Rockwell Automation Allen Bradley. Rockwell Automation is company, but vendor or Allen Bradley, why they are rated? What is the reason? Why they are rated Allen Bradley? Because of Allen Bradley is Allen Bradley is manufacturing input output, means Allen Bradley is manufacturer company of Rockwell Automation. Here you can write DI underscore 01 and it's going to slot number 0. It's okay. Connection you can use packet interval connection RIP in inhibit mode, and same setting you can use measure fault on controller if connection fail while in run mode, and use this information and points, how many points we are going to click on. Okay, so once you connect, you added, so all right, once you added one card, if you want to use three times, or you example you have to four card in hardware, otherwise no problem, you don't have any hardware. So you, if you have three card, so what you can do, you can directly copy here and you can paste too easily. Right click and paste it, automatically will take di2, another di3. So you added three type of dis. Next you have do, two do. So right click on module, same thing, you have to select do. So module type category, click on filter, click on digital. Here you can select OE is IB. OB is digital output card. You can select either you can use either 8 point means 8 channel, or 16 point means 16 channel. Source type of output either 32 point 32 p. It's not coming 32 OB32, it's coming OB32p. Then you can select, for example you selected OB16 OB32p, and because if you want more input output, then you can use it. Click on a create. You can see journal is same. So what you can write here, do 01. By default is going to slot number 3. You can change slot number, but no need to change here. And other connection and module information and points is same. So I'm not going to explain. Also you can change from here, and then you can click on, you can change series. Example, in the field different type of series or different revision, but only one revision here. And always electronic some capable module, it should be enabled, and data output should be enabled. Connection, click on so what you can do, example all setting is done. All setting is done, then you can click on OK. Now you have two digital output cards, so you can copy once and you can paste again for digital output. So you added digital output, digital input, digital output, and you have one analog input and one analog output. So what you can do is simply you can select right click communication card, click on module, add a new module, same window will appear, and module type category filter, select on it, then you can select analog because you are going to add analog. So in analog, IE4 and IE12 you can use. So IE12 example, IE12 and IE8, you can see IE8, IE12. Most of the times I was used in both IE8 and 12, both current and DC, current and DC. It's coming based on what which type of analog input card is. You can use which type of sensor you are using in the field. If you are going to do program, or example you are going to do a project, so according to project you can select, but for learning purpose you can select any analog input, no problem. Example, so 1794 IE12, click on create. After that, simple same pop-up is came. So you can write AI and log input dash 01. You can see here all is same, but always remember series module definition. You have to check it. It should be matched with actual hardware if you have hardware. And connection. Here is a one good things you can choose. For example, you have a two temperature transmitter, and from temperature transmitter you will receive 4 to 20 milliampere signal, and you have two pressure transmitter. From pressure transmitter is you will receive 0 to 10 volt. So you can select 4 to 20 milliampere, 1 2 to 4 to 20 milliampere, 3 4 to 20 milliampere, and 4 4 to 20 milliampere. So 0 1 2 3 4 5. But in actual 01 you can select only 01 at a one time, 02 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 9 and 10 11 at a one time. Click on OK. So it's added. So example, you have two, so right click simply, right click and click on paste. So analog input is also added. So once only pending, you have only all is you added. To what you have to do next, you have one analog output also. So right click on new module, simple module type category, click on filter, click on analog, and here you can see OE. You can write OE12. You can select analog output card. You can send signal from analog output card in raw value formats. I will discuss about in later. So in journal, and in journal you can write analog output dash 01 1. By default it's taking slot number 4 because slot number 4 is the last of particular communication module. And simple module connection 4 to 20 milliampere, same you can choose 4 to 20 milliampere, either 0 to 10 volt. You can send a signal from PLC, means from this card 4 to 20 milliampere, either 0 to 10 volt between raw value. You have to send a raw value and PLC will receive 4 to 20 milliampere. Click on OK. So now this called IO tree. This is IO configuration is called IO tree. So you are created IO tree, means IO tree is created. So I think you learn from this video. So in my coming videos, all video will come on Studio 5000 and FactoryTalk Studio between both combined video. And if you have any, if you have any questions, so you can comment in comment box. And or if you have any doubt, then also you can comment in comment box. If you want to any particular topic video, so also you can comment in comment box. I will try to create a video.